How to use Clearpay on Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Clearpay on your Amazon. So without any further ado, let's just begin. First, open up your web browser and search for Clearpay. Now let me get this straight. Using your Clearpay on Amazon, it's not as easy as you think. You cannot directly link your Clearpay to your Amazon. What you'll need to do is you'll need to buy a Clearpay gift card and use those gift cards on your Amazon. Now to buy that, first search for Clearpay on any of your web browsers and then visit its website. So right here, you will be able to buy your gift cards here, and after you buy those, just search for Amazon and go to Amazon and use those gift cards on anything that you want to buy. And it's pretty simple guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.